you taught me chemistry when I was studying my intermediate years back. So chemistry is one of the dreaded subject for everybody, but thanks to you, it has become one of the highest scoring subjects for me. So one of the best things I remember is everybody sees chemistry as three different things: physical, inorganic, and organic. And almost organic is scary for everybody. But the teaching style in which you basically combined physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry has been a game changer in the way I look at the chemistry and solve the problems. Mainly, the one thing which I definitely remember is the bonding, the way you basically helped us see the bonding in organic chemistry and how it is linked with the inorganic and physical chemistry. That actually helped me become one of the best scorers, and I was able to get into NIT because of that. Thank you very much, and it's great.